An intoxicated man destroys rental Lamborghini Huracan in Switzerland. The driver was from Zurich and, with a passenger, was traveling to Bern, a 122-kilometer drive, in a rented Lamborghini Huracan convertible. Less than halfway into their journey, the driver lost control and went off the road. Fortunately, neither of the occupants were injured in the accident that happened at around 9 p.m., nor was anyone else. The Huracan, though, was not so lucky. It suffered extensive damage to the driver's side front quarter, which was almost entirely torn off in the accident. Police found that the 32-year-old driver was heavily intoxicated at the time of the accident, and prosecutors ordered a blood test. Following the accident, the driver's license was temporarily revoked,